Good evening, and welcome back to Astro Colony. We're just hanging out here with our scientist. He's having a bit of a drink, and he's going to go back to work there. But he's not going to do anything at work, because we currently have no research going, because we finished the research. Zoop. Stargate is complete. So we need to build one. We need to build a Stargate. Building a Stargate would be very helpful. But to build a Stargate, you need a black hole, and we were heading towards a black hole, and we have arrived at the black hole. Yep, we've got our own personal black hole parked right here, just off the edge of the base, ready for well, construction. But how do you build a Stargate? I have no idea, because I've never built one, so I don't know how it works. I believe it's something to do with remote building, so let's have a look-see here. We have this remote fabricator. A remote fabricator will need fabricator drones to construct remote devices. Okay. Now, does that mean we build a robots assembler? Let's try this. Let's just put in a robots assembler here. Boom. Yeah. Boom. This thing builds mine drops and other bits and pieces. So, there we go. So this can build a fabricator. Cool. Okay, so we want fabricator bots in order to build remotely. Okay, so we need to get some fabricator bots going. Cool. And I believe that's what that's what it does. So, and then to build a remote fabricator, we need some concrete. Concrete is made from stone plates, and stone plates in this model, and snow plates are made. In the circular saw. Okay, and the circular saw requires titanium rods. We don't have any titanium rods. Let's make a couple of titanium rods, just a couple so we can build the thing for ourselves here. How do you make titanium rods? They're made in here, which is just literally titanium. We have loads of titanium, I believe. Yeah, we're doing pretty well. Got some quartz in here as well. So let's do that. Where are we here? Doop. What are you making? You're making and titanium rods. Okay, we've got you already set to do titanium rods. So we run. I don't feel as if I can automate titanium rods in the space that I'm currently in. So I'm gonna take all of that. And I'm going to throw it here because I don't think it's used for anything else. No, it's just used for titanium rods. So let's throw it in there. Buff, do that. There you go. Boom. That'll take all of our titanium, and you can make titanium rods. Oh, and I need to do here as well. I don't know if we need motherboards for anything else. Oh yeah, we do. We do need them for computers, and you need gold wire for computers as well. That's okay. So we need computers being made. Okay, that's made in an advanced assembler. So let's build an advanced assembler over here as well. Let's expand everything. And we'll put it there for a minute. There you go. Okay. Gold wire coming up, but I want to keep some gold wire because we may need more power at some point. But you know what? We're going to turn that around. I'm going to turn that around. We're going to do that and put it over here somewhere. I think. No. No, it can go here. It can go here. Oof. Yeah, like that. And what we'll do is we will run a belt out of this one, so I want a filter. Yoink. Boom. And filter wants to be set to gold wire. Then we'll come along here. We want to go up and over this, and over that, back down again. Into there. Then this wants to have a filter come out as well for the motherboards. Now I don't need motherboards for any more research. We might need to do some other research to get things going. I don't know what's required. Yes, I'm missing a lot of stuff out. I know I'm missing a lot of stuff out. We're not doing any like graphene or batteries or anything. And I know. I want to build the Stargate. I want to build the Stargate, get it done. It probably needs remote power as well, which means you'll have to research that. But I just want to build the Stargate and get it done. That's the thing. That's all I want. That's all I really want. So I've got to remove that one because I actually want to run that way, like that. Boom. There we go. And I want to do that because we want a blocker here, and we want a blocker here, because we don't want to convert all of our gold wire or all of our titanium rods. I think they only become metal frames, so we want to keep some behind for ourselves. So we need to build some things with titanium rods. So let's build ourselves the oh no, it's in here, isn't it? Yeah, we want to build these. So the circular saw, that was the thing I wanted to build. It was the circular saw. I'm like, I need rods for something. Okay, so this can do wooden planks, quartz from dirt. That's interesting. Okay, I don't know how you get quartz from dirt, but yep. Or stone into stone plates. Now we have loads of stone on us, like 523 stone. So I think we can just convert that up, and that should be enough concrete for everything that we need to do for ourselves. Let's plug this into the grid. Off like that. There we go. Okay, and that can start turning away doing its stone. Then we'll get some stone plates, and we can then build things with that. Because to build the circular, the fabricator, we need concrete, and I said concrete is made in a advanced smelter. So let's get another one of those. And this wants to be doing concrete, and I think we'll convert all of our stone up to concrete. I don't know what we need stone for. Well, only concrete. That's it. So, okay. Oop. You know what? You can run back here, and we can run another line along the edge. So there you go. How is our power doing? We are 74%. We're okay. Okay, so you're going to make concrete for us, which is nice. So you're going to make the concrete, and then we can do that without any major problems. And we have to build the remote fabricator, which would be nice. Okay. The next question is getting these done. So we need titanium rods, we need computers, we need hydrogen. Well, hydrogen's okay. Hydrogen we have over there. Yep, we're good for hydrogen. Computers, however, we're not good for. That's what this is going to be for. So let's do that. Let's grab a filter. There. And this filter is going to be filtered to be titanium rods. Oh, there you go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have a let's just go to my next, that one there. We're going to have a reader. It's going to go this way. It's got to go this way. Can't really do much about it. In fact, it's probably going to have to go this side. Now I think about it. What is running on this cable? I think we can use that cable. I don't see any reason why I couldn't double up and use that cable as well. So right. You're going to read rods and gold wire. Okay. We're going to come out of here. We're going to connect that to there. That shouldn't mess anything up because this is the first time we're reading rods and gold wire, and the wire should be able to deal with both anyway. Then we're going to put in a decider here. And we're going to go, hey, if you've got more than one titanium rod in you, then we want to turn this device on. So as soon as this gets a single rod in it, it will turn the device on. So we want to turn that off there, and this wants to be making. Oh, wrong thing. This is not doing titanium rods. No. This is doing motherboards. Yes. I want titanium rods in here. We want to be making computers. We also kind of are making metal frames as well, don't we? We need those. Maybe we can kill two birds in one stone. Oof. I mean, maybe we can kill two birds in one stone, but I need two outputs for that. Yeah, I need two outputs for that. So okay. You've got less than two in you, because you need two. Yeah, you need two. Then you turn that one off, or on, or whatever. Oh. Oof, there you go. So plates come out. You're not reading the right thing. Nope. Although I do want you actually reading. Reading all four of those. And I suppose what I should do is actually link that to the correct machine so it can actually do the thing. That would be useful. Yeah. Okay, so it gets 5. That's okay. And then we're going to have another one of these down here, which connects to that one. Okay. Boom. And then we want to have a reader. You're going to read gold wire, and if it's more than one, we turn off that. There we go. Okay, so as soon as it gets one gold wire in it, it stops. So we're going to have the whole row of gold wire there. That's okay. There we go. The gold wire is going to come out, go along, and then as soon as you get one gold wire in there, you stop. And then once it drops down again to under one gold wire, it will go again. So it'll be starting and stopping and starting and stopping, which is fine. There you go. So how many is it actually going to get into it? I haven't powered it yet, so it's going to just get how many. Doop. That's a lot of gold wire. More coming for some interesting. You end up with 26, and you need 6. So okay, that's fine. We'll go with that. Power. There you go. Boff. Okay. Now we do want to make metal frames as well. I don't know if I could do that in this same machine. Metal frames will require iron and titanium. And we are doing that there. Let's give this a try. The automation that I'm doing in this game is not needed. It's absolutely not needed, and I know that. And I know that. I'm going overboard with the automation for a lot of things. We could just not bother with it in a lot of places, and just sort of manually feed things ourselves, or just direct feed things and not worry about the automation. But I want to. I want to do the automation purely because I want to. That's the reason. That's the reason I want to do the automation, purely because I want to do the automation. Also, this is a little bit weird. I don't know why I've done this. Yeah, we don't need this. Don't know what I'm thinking here. Running this belt all the way like this. Oof, get rid of that. Get rid of that. All we need to do is come out of here and connect onto this here. So we can literally just go that way, and ooh, like that. Boom, there you go. I want to filter here, and this wants to be filtered to be steel. We want a blocker there. Okay, I'm going to have to come up again with another filter, which is going to be set to steel, and it can be left at 2, and this wants to connect to that blocker there. And it can be connected to the grid like so. There you go, you are now connected. Awesome. You should be turning that off. Yes you are. Sweet. Oop. You'll come out and go round and round and round and go back onto the same line, and they can share the line, because yes, sometimes they'll be going on, they'll be having like 20 on board there and blah blah, but so long as they get more than 6 gold and 4 wire, which they will always get, because when one stops the other one can get a go. This is fine. This is fine. They can share a belt. They can share a belt. No problem at all. Okay. So, boom. You've got 1 in there. You've stopped that. You've blocked that. That's awesome. That's all working fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Okay. Now, the other thing you need is titanium rods. And we are manually making the titanium rods here. Titanium isn't something we really get in because we've not been mining it, to be honest with you. There is 65,000 titanium here, so we will eventually get titanium coming in. So I suppose I should smelt it. But the question is, how do I get a belt from there to here? And the answer is over the top. Let's give this a try. Let's give this a try, shall we? 2. You know what? We're going to go right up high. 3, 4, 5. Out. So, oh no, oh it will. I was going to say no. Don't tell me you won't come out any further. No. I don't really want a blocker. I'm not fussed about a blocker. We can convert it all up. But what I want is a filter here. Filter. Because this last one is technically whatever's left. Whatever ends up on the system is whatever's left here. So it could become quartz. It could get dirt in it. It could get anything. It could get anything in it. So we want to filter that, and then we want to go up and along, and then I need to select all of this row here with your select tool, this to here, and then rotate it and rotate it. And there you go. Job done. Awesome. Okay, and it's getting increasingly more difficult to fly through the base. Yes! Embrace the spaghetti. Embrace the spaghetti. Oof. There we go. Okay, so any titanium we might get, which we will get after we finish doing all the carbon on this world, we're going to switch over to titanium. We'll end up in here now, and that will be automated. And then from here, we want to go into here with titanium rods. Cool. Okay. So let us filter again to this wants to filter to titanium rods. You're going to come out of here. And you can share this one as well, because that's fine, that's not a problem. Okay, titanium rods only become metal frames. We do want some for ourselves, however. So, we're going to get another filter thing here. And we are going to build this. This is going to be connected to this storage here, and it's going to check rods. Then we want to build a decider there. You're going to have rods, but you're going to be we're going to keep 100 rods spare. So if there is less than 100, I need to come out of that. Left click cancel, left click select, oh no, whatever. Blocker there. Oh. You're going to control that. Okay. What did I turn off? I turned off something. This. I turned off this. Turn this back on. Off it. Okay. If there's less than 100 rods, you should turn that off, which will allow it to go. And then once it gets below 100 rods, you will stop that. Okay. Well, there you go. And I'm not fussed about this machine filling with titanium rods, because they're only used to make this. So, yeah, that's all we need. That is all we need. Okay. Why have you stopped? Because never going to get down to that. So I need to change both of these to be, this needs to be set to 2 and that one needs to be set to 6. Well, if it's less than 6, you must go, because it always needs a minimum of 6. Okay, and it's the same. So this needs 2 and 4. Well, you're not fussed about that one there. This one wants to be set to 4. Okay. Boom, and now you can do your thing here. And yeah, we have technically 4 products all ending up on a single belt right here. This last piece of belt has 4 products on it, but it's okay because this takes 22 seconds and 46 seconds to make the things. It's not going to struggle. It's really not going to struggle for any form of resources going on here. It's going to be fine. So okay, so once we get to 100. This toggles on less than 100, so it's going to store 99 of them for us, and then away it goes, and everything will be awesome and wonderful and fantastic and brilliant, and there can be much rejoicing. Now we have enough concrete, we can build the next stage, and the next stage is going to be the remote builder. But we'll plan that and muck about with that, play with that. That's the word I was trying to say, not plan, play with. We'll play with that next time. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you again in the next one. And until then, as always, have fun.